to my channel guys. We are here with a huge Zara haul and अभी मैंने ये जो सारी ड्रेसेस मंगाई हैं ये सब कुछ मैंने सेल पे मंगाया था एंड अभी मैं इन सबको ट्राई करके देखूंगी एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड ओके. So we'll start first with this top. This is a bodysuit which is a backless. Here you can see a see-through situation is going on here and it's a bodysuit and it's quite pretty I guess. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. Quite supportive, quite trending right now and you can style it in many ways. मैंने यहाँ पे एक स्कर्ट के साथ इसको स्टाइल किया हुआ है. आई गेस इसको काफ़ी अलग अलग वेज में स्टाइल किया जा सकता है. यू कैन वेयर इट विद पैंट्स एंड देन with skirts or for date night or maybe to the clubbing. This looks so good, so chic. See, I really like it. So now the second article is this. This is a spaghetti top. Okay, and see. This is so cute. It contains some rhinestones over it. Originally it was retailing over rupees 2150 to 1150 rupees and on sale I got it around I guess 850 or something and this is quite good. I really like it. See, yeah, I'm back with it. So it's yeah. See, it's so blingy. I really like it. मुझे थोड़े से straps इसके long है but I guess we can work with this. It's quite semi-backless we can say, but it's looking so pretty. I'm wearing it right now with a skirt only. But I guess it will look really good with blue denims or a bit of heels with it. बहुत सही लगने वाला है. I guess it's a good investment or you can throw it a jacket over that. तो ये बहुत सही लगेगा. I really like it. And किसी भी डिस्को वगैरह अगर आपको जाना है पार्टी करनी है with your friends तो you can wear it. नाइट टाइम के लिए तो ये बेस्ट है. बहुत ही सही लगता है. Hi, I'm back with another article from Zara only. This is a black spaghetti which is in a satiny finish. I really like it. It's very soft and it got some raw edges over here on the neckline here. I really like it. It's looking pretty cool and yeah. I guess हर लड़की के wardrobe में एक black and white spaghetti ज़रूर होनी चाहिए because it's quite helpful. You can style it with anything, like bit anything. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with skirt, or casually आपने एक spaghetti पहनी ऊपर से एक jacket पहन लो. It looks really cool. So yeah, I really like it and I guess I'm back and this is another article which is a quite classy ice blue color top with I guess a howl neckline and it was retailing for rupees I guess 1550 for the original and I got it for rupees 800 and yeah, मैं भी आपको पहन के दिखाती हूँ how it's looking as I've not tried anything and now I'm trying it with you guys. Oh my god, this is looking so pretty. See, here's the how neck detailing like from back. It's looking really pretty. It's so soft fabric, like of course it's such a good brand and आपको इतना सही rates में मिल जाता है when it's on sale. I really love it. To be sure for this stuff. It fits like a glove, like literally like a glove. I'll show you one more article. I'm left with I guess 2 more articles. Wait for a second, I'll be back. Yeah, we were left with these 2 articles. So this is a normal tank top, a black tank top. As I've already mentioned, each and every girl need a basic white and a black spaghetti in her wardrobe because they are quite helpful. So that's why I bought it. It was retailing originally for rupees 750 but I got it for rupees 300 and I really like it. It's quite a good fabric and quite soft for the summers and you can style it in a different ways as I've already mentioned. Okay, and another one is this full sleeve satin finish top from Zara only, and it's also in a how neckline only, and I like its color. I guess this color is going to look really pretty on me, and other girls who are just like me, the dusky complexion. This color looks really good on the dusky complexion. And wait for a second. अभी change करके आती हूँ. Wow. See guys, as I mentioned, this looks really good on a dusky complexion, and yeah, same how like situation over here. I don't know, these look so pretty, and because it's quite wait a second, I need to set it like this. I don't know how to set it, but I really like it. I really like the fit of this top, the fabric, everything is looking so good. It is so soft, and it's pretty long. I'm gonna hold it here so that it fits me well. Yeah, with a petite physique like me, each and every top is long for you. So yeah, आपको I guess I will definitely wear something underneath like this so that it covers my situation over here and it doesn't look weird. Or if anyone is comfortable while showing off their I'm not getting any words to mention it, but yeah, if you're comfortable, you can wear like me some sports bra or a spaghetti top underneath so that it doesn't show, which is not required, I guess. So yeah, this is it. I really like the top, I really like the fit, the color is beautiful, the fabric is so soft, it's looking really good on the dusky complexion like me. So yeah, you guys can go for it, and it was I guess retailing for rupees, wait, देखा ही नहीं यार, मैं भूल ही गई. Come on. It was originally for rupees 1950 and I got it for rupees I guess 900 or something, but yeah, it's worthy. I guess the price is worthy for the. We are left with the last article from this, and it is a black spaghetti top, and give me 2 minutes and I'll be back. I'm back. So I'm back with this article, as I've already mentioned, black spaghetti top. As I've already said that they are a must in your wardrobe, and it looks pretty cool with anything. Wear it with skirts, wear it with jeans, wear it to your office. Like you can wear it like this and put a shirt over it or a jacket over it. This looks really good, really chic. आप कैसे भी style करो यार, it's gonna look fab, like fab. So this is it. We are done with our Zara haul, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more articles or more hauls like this. And I try कि मैं new से new videos and new content लेकर आती रहूँ आप लोगों के लिए. And wait for H&M haul जो कि मेरा most probably next week तक आ जाएगा. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Toodle.